This week in the Pop Wood Shop, we're really getting into the Halloween spirit. We've all been wearing our Norm Abrams costumes.
That's everyone, probably not just this week, but all year.
Pretty much. And today we're actually going to be making a pretty quick project. This is a ghost that my grandpa built over 20 years ago now. And it's not too difficult to make. You're going to need a saw that can make some tight curves, like a bandsaw, jigsaw, or scroll saw. We'll be using a bandsaw today. And then the lumber is just some 3/4 inch wood from your home center. Let's get to it. So the first thing that you need to do is make your shape. And I'll just be tracing the original ghost, that we will have a template for you to download if you want to, or you can just make your own. The template does fit on a 10-inch wide piece of wood, and you can get both the ghost and the pumpkin from the same board. Let's head over to the bandsaw. Once you've cut your ghost out, you need to drill a couple holes. There'll be one at the top of the pumpkin, one at each of the tops of the ghost's hands, and one at the bottom of the ghost's hands to hold on to the pumpkin. Now that the holes are drilled, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Now, we didn't want to buy a whole gallon of paint just for a little pumpkin, but most of the time your local home center can make you a small sample size. We decided that Japanese koi was the perfect color for this pumpkin. Now that our pumpkin is painted, we're going to add some rosy cheeks to our ghost. So the best technique that we have found for this is to get a paper towel just a little bit wet and add just the smallest amount of paint. Give a little rosy cheek on each side. And then, paper towel, press it out a little bit, and you'll see it's gonna match up pretty close to what we had here in the original. We're gonna wait for our paint to dry, and then we'll draw on some faces. So we're going to use a thin Sharpie here for the mouth and a little bit thicker one for the eyes. The finishing touch will be adding the wire. You're going to use approximately 20 inches for the loop over the ghost and approximately 5 inches to attach the pumpkin. And there you have it, a nice spooky Halloween project from Popular Woodworking. See you next time.